A joint meeting between the North East Organising Committee, Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya and the North East Olympic Association held on Wednesday in Shillong to finalise the list of sports disciplines for the second North East Olympic Games 2022 scheduled to be held from October 30th to November 6 this year. The meeting, chaired by Meghalaya Sports Minister Bante Dor Lingdor, was attended by Tokcham Radhesham, MLA, President North East Olympic Association and President of Manipur Olympic Association, Abraham K. Techi, Secretary General North East Olympic Association, John F. Karshing, Working President, F. L. Paret, General Secretary, Meghalaya State Olympic Association, and members from the NEOA. Sportspersons from 8 states, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura, will be competing in 18 disciplines in the 8-day event in the 13 venues.